Hey guys, this is Fraser with Think Smart Tutoring. So today we're going to be looking at this initial value problem. It's from the SL paper, and it's a 4-mark. Basically, it's an integration problem, but it's not an indefinite. It's indefinite, but they give you the initial values, so it means you can find a specific solution. So given that dy dx is given by cos of x minus pi on 4, and that when x is equal to 3 pi on 4, y is equal to 2, we need to find y in terms of x. So that means if dy dx equals cos x, that means that cos x of that thing, that means that if we integrate cos of x minus pi on 4 dx, what we're going to get is y, right? Because if we differentiate y on the left hand side, if we go dx and we go dx, obviously these are going to cancel, and we'll just have that dy dx is equal to this, which is what we have up here. So basically, if we integrate this, we should get the general solution for y. So if we integrate this, what we'll find is, the differential of sine is cosine, so the integral of cosine is sine. So it's going to be sine x minus pi on 4, and we divide by the differential of the inner function. But because the differential of the inner function is 1, it's just that, and don't forget plus c. So the important thing here is it's reverse chain rule, right? If we differentiate this with chain rule, what we'll do is we'll differentiate the outer function, which gives us cosine, and multiply by the derivative of the inner function, which is just 1. And so when we integrate, we integrate the outer function, so cosine becomes sine, and we differentiate by the differential of the inner function, which is just 1. But we know, so y equals sine x minus pi on 4 plus c. We know that y equals 2 when x equals, so 3 pi on 4 minus pi on 4 is 2 pi on 4, which is pi on 2 plus c. You need to know, this is a paper 1 question, sine of pi on 2 is 1 plus c, therefore c equals 1. So that means y equals sine of x minus pi on 4 plus 1. So that was kind of quick. Also, a super difficult question. It's 4 marks, so it should be around 4 to 5 minutes. But it's a nice integration one. It's an initial value. They give you the initial values, or they give you some value, and so far you can find the specific solution. Hopefully that was helpful. And again, as always, if you feel like you need a bit more help with tutoring, maybe this was not quite enough for you, and you feel like you need to get a bit more prepared for your exams, feel free to head over to Think Smart Tutoring. The link is in the description for both Dutch and internationals. And it's very flexible. You can sign up, pick how many lessons you want, decide with the tutor, see what they think is best. And I'll be making more of these videos. So as always, have a great day, and I'll see you guys soon.